Leatherman Tool Group, and I'd like to introduce you to the new Leatherman Signal. The Leatherman Signal is a new tool we're launching in 2015. It'll be available in the latter part of the summer, around July, August. It's a tool that has, as you've become familiar with Leatherman, the outside opening knife blade. This is a combination blade, serrated and straight. On the outside, we also give you a saw that's very aggressive, a hammer, a 1/4-inch drive, pocket clip, carabiner clip, and bottle opener. On the top here, should you ever need to sharpen your knife, we've given you a sharpener that'll allow you to sharpen up the blade if you're in the field and working. So it's got all the tools you need there to sustain a good quality edge on your blade. As you open it up, you'll see that we have needle nose, pliers, wire cutters, and down in the crotch down there, it's hard wire cutter. These cutters are replaceable. They're 154 cm steel. On the inside, we've got all the tools you'll need in the field. Bottle opener, and driver bits that are available right here. The driver bits we have are available in all different configurations. You can find those in the Leatherman catalog, and then driver bit select section. They fit right into the handle right there, very conveniently. Something that we've added here in the Signal, right in the handle, as you saw, I just pulled this out. It's got a Ferris rod here. It's got a whistle for emergencies, so you can blow this whistle. And to start a fire, merely close it down, open up your saw blade, and create spark for your fire. This is the new Leatherman Signal.